I get a call. I want to do 100% financing and I want to buy a house. I said, okay, how'd you get my name? This person says that her agent had given her my name and told her that I can do 100% financing. And for reference, I'm a loan officer. I help people get mortgages to buy houses, sometimes refinance. I said, that is true. We do 100% financing. Why don't you tell me what's going on? She says, okay, I have a house. It's worth about 400,000. I was like, okay. I was like, so you're not a first time home buyer? She goes, no. She said, that house has about $200,000 of equity. I said, okay. She goes, I'm looking at buying a house for about $800,000. Keep making offers and they're contingent offers and I keep losing out. I said, okay. I was like, what's your income? She explains to me that her income is about $260,000 a year. She actually says that she thinks that that might be a problem because she heard that the 100% financing options have income caps. I said, okay. I was like, where do you want to buy the house? She tells me where she wants to buy the house. And I was like, how much do you want to buy for again? She says about 800. I was like, okay. So I look up in that area because what I'm really looking for is to see what the FHA cap in that area is. And I can see it's way more than $800,000. I said, okay, so this is how we'll structure it. I said, you'll do an $800,000 purchase. We'll do an FHA loan for you. The first mortgage will be 96.5%, and the down payment is 3.5%. What we'll do is we'll do a second mortgage for the 3.5%. So you'll have two mortgages. I said the rate on the first mortgage will be slightly higher because it's a 100% loan, and the rate on the second will be about 2% higher than that. I said, but this actually will not be a problem for you because once you sell your house, what you can go ahead and do is you can immediately pay off the second mortgage so you don't have to make any payments on it. Then what I would actually recommend you do is you wait a little bit because rates are probably going to go down at least 6 to 8 months. Just make the payment, as normal. It's going to be a slightly higher payment. After that, when you refinance, take the equity that you got from the house that you sold, pay this loan down, and go from an FHA to a conventional loan. So you drop the mortgage insurance and you get a new mortgage payment. I was like, there's going to be no income cap. I said, you're going to get into the house for 100% financing and you can, based on your income, you can qualify for both mortgage payments. I was like, the closing cost help, either you or the seller are going to have to pay. It's going to be 15 to 20 grand. Do you have that? She goes, we're going to try and get the seller to pay that. But if they won't, I will pay that. I was like, okay, we can get you into the house on the loan part, but no money down. It shouldn't be an issue based on your circumstance.